Heading off for, where are we going, girls?
Peek and peek!
Peek and peek! Jaylee's got snowboard lessons today, and then we're gonna spend the night. Olivia and Mom are gonna go swimming, and we'll meet them to go swimming. Go off to dinner.
Relaxing.
Snowboard.
Yeah.
Relaxing? What are you talking about?
Fun and relaxing.
I gotta try and chase Jaylee down the mountain. Huh. Gotta keep up with Jaylee.
Yep.
All right, we're just leaving Oil City. It's 1:30. We should be there about 2:10. Get checked in 1:30. No, 2:30. About 2:40. We'll be there about 2:40. Snowboard lessons at 3:30. Right on time. You just got here. How was the ride, bud?
Good.
It was good. You didn't mind it? All right. We just got here. It's our first family. Well, I guess second family snowboard trip. We went last year, or earlier this year, but last season. Yes, I can't imagine going for more than a day. We're full. Yeah. All right, let's go get checked in. Hi guys. Where are we at? The Peek and Peek, the inn. Peek and Peek, huh? Late check-in, even though we requested an early one. But hey, what can you do? Say, be patient. That's what we can do, huh? Do you know how to be patient, Ev? PK2. Yes. All right, all ready? Jaylee's going off to her ski lesson. I'll hang out, catch a few runs, meet up with her, and see what all she learned. You excited?
Yeah.
You think you'll have Justin again today? Ski teacher? Snowboard teacher? Coach. I hope you got both gloves. Okay. Perfect. Olivia and Mom went off to the swimming pool. And here we are, huh? You ready for this?
Yep.
Cool. Jay's lined up. I can turn both left and right and can ride a chairlift. And that's her, huh? Next time she might be over here. I can ride both blue and green trails, but want to improve.
I can ride the blue one.
You have rode the blue ones, yeah?
I'm pretty good at it.
I wonder if it's Justin today. Cool, Jay's gonna go off for her hour-long lesson. Have a good time, huh? Okay, Jaylee's back from lessons, had a great time.
We're going down the green. We're gonna go halfway down the green hill and halfway down the blue hill.
Halfway down the green and halfway down the blue.
The green
Awesome.
hill are wide and don't have like tree blocking or anything. The blue hills are skinnier and have like maybe like a tree blocking and you have to dodge.
Well, I learned something today, I guess, huh? So which ones are harder?
The blue hill.
Blue hills are a little harder?
That
And
one.
black's the hardest, huh?
Wait, what?
Black ones are the hardest, like black diamonds. Double black diamonds.
I only teach on black diamonds.
You don't think? So you having a good time? Weather's perfect. Powder on the ground. Powder in the woods.
To go out by hill, we went down. I don't know what that one.
Which way? Nice. You take us where you want to go. Woohoo, Jay! Awesome. Good work, girl. Oh man, this is cool. Loving it. Under control. Nice. Getting steep. Woo! Just ride it like you have been, back and forth. Back and forth. Yeah? Head on down, and I think we gotta go to the right. Oh my gosh, she's doing amazing. Doing amazing! All the way down there to the right. Don't lose your speed now. You want to get enough speed to get down there without getting crazy. We got to go down around to the right, make it to the lift. The lights are on. Jaylee's snowboarding in the dark, just like she wanted to. Off she goes. Like I said, kind of hard to keep up with her now. She's burning me. Woo woo! Nice! Feel that icy hill. You get some snow last night, Jay?
A bunch.
They said like 3 to 5 inches they got here. Back here you don't see as much, but out front it looked like a lot more. There's a lot on the car I saw.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
That's how we can tell, yeah.
Pretty cool.
Got all our stuff drying out everywhere. Kinda.
Yeah, everywhere.
And if it doesn't dry in time, Dad will show you in the bathroom what we do.
Dun, 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 dun. And boom!
Hi.
Try it out.
Drying out Jay's gloves a little bit. They're wet from sweat from yesterday. Little mittens don't dry out as quick and easy.
No.
Huh. We're just drying them out.
High pressure. Upstairs you go. I'm gonna surprise you when we get up there. Dun, 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 dun. And we got baby Olivia. You know that baby Olivia playing with someone else. Russian tots. So, let the view come out here. She's watching the news. Hi, baby! So, that's what's up. I do it at home. This is so much fun. We're not going to do it at home. So, this, I'm doing it all. This is so much fun. Oh man, I went finally to bed. This is so much fun.
What are you girls doing up here?
Nothing.
Ah, hello. I think we got some snow last night, Jay. What do you think? That's pretty cool. You can always tell how much snow you got by what's on the car in the morning. We're heading out. Yep, that's ours. Clean her off real quick, huh? First tracks, huh? Nice. Now, not first tracks, but not very many. It's about, what, 10:15? I think they opened at 9:30. There's a good 5 inches of powder on the ground.
Yeah.
You pumped? You stoked? Huh? You stoked?
Might go shred some snow.
Go shredding, huh? Talk like Justin, your snowboard coach?
Yeah, I thought the full time he said, I'm like, what does that mean?
You figured it out though, huh?
He told me.
Figured it out.
I asked him.
Yeah. Cool. All right, we're pretty pumped. It's a beautiful morning. Huh. Pick up speed, let's go. Woo! Here's Jay up on the hill. Coming on down. Turn and burn, kid. There you go. Woo! Head right, to the right here. Over here, yep. I think so. Kid's got it. Nice. Turn and go the other way. Nice. Turn and go the other way. A little quicker turns. There you go. Turn and go the other way. Other way. Oh, don't turn as far. Okay, other way. Come on. You gotta turn and burn. Yep, pick up speed and get down there. We want to go all the way down to the right, past the ski lift. We don't have to walk as far. Okay, turning straight and go. You're gonna run out of speed. Her legs are tired. Ugh. There she goes. Down to the right. Over here, bud. Good job! Woo! Pretty awesome. How was it, Jay? Good? You enjoyed it? 2 days of hard snowboarding? Oh, we're exhausted.
Now we're gonna go swimming.
Go swimming with Sissy and Mom. All right, we got ice cubes, icicles. Well, this is it, our final afternoon. Ibby's already in. We got this place all to ourselves. What a perfect Wednesday. Is it warm, Iv? Good. What? Not allowed to what?
Touch the water until you jump in.
Oh, not allowed to touch the water till we jump in?
I have to go.
You want to hold the GoPro? Okay, hold it out away from you, both of us. There you go. All right, you want to hold hands?
Okay, you hold it.
You want me to do it? You want to hold hands? Okay. Count it out. You're coming too, Iv? Oh, okay. So,
I was like to the bottom.
okay, so we're jumping in?
Yeah.
Okay, count out.
10,
No, 3.
5,
3.
on 1, on 1.
Like lethal weapon. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. 1, 2.
Wait! Are we going on 3? Or 1, 2, 3, go?
On 3.
On 3, okay. All right, count it out.
1, 2, 3.
You gotta go. Where are you? I thought you were touching the bottom.
I'm trying to. Let's try dive down.
Jump, Iv. Do it again. Do it again. It's still on.
I'll try again. Yeah, let's try to. I can barely even get it. I go out one in my mouth.
Hi, Jay.
Hi.
Having fun in the hot tub.
Yeah.
Oh boy. What's that? Have the place to ourselves. Oh yeah. What do you think, Iv? Pretty awesome, huh? It's snowing out on here. Can you have this?
Whoa, whoa, what the hell?
You're sinking here. Hey, remember, hold it out. Hold it out in front of you.
Oh, went up. Okay.
Feel good? Mommy's toes are in over there.
Whoa, I'm gonna get washed away. Oh, the bubble. Mommy, that's a lot. Oh.
Oh! Hi, camera!
Hi, Campbell.
Hi, camera! It's on.
I'm gonna jump in the water. No, I'm jumping in the water. I'm gonna use this foot. Jump in. How was it, Olivia? Fun. Fun? I do it again. Taking the water. Okay. Can I do it again? Go. 1 minute. Woo! Now this is heavy enough to sink to the ground. I'm gonna let you sink to the ground. I'm gonna come down and get. One round go.
All right, we are loaded up and we are out. What do you think, guys? You have a good trip? Eating some ice cream. We didn't get enough snow this weekend that we're eating some ice cream before we go. Whoop, Jay's is all gone.
We got to end the vacation a good way.
Yeah, heading home.
Ice cream.
Everything's covered in snow. And we're off. All right. Hour and 10 minutes, we'll be home, hopefully.